Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about crop an image with the pillow library. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Cropping an image involves extracting a rectangular portion from the image. This is useful for focusing on a specific area of the image, right? So cropping an image. So this is the code for cropping an image. Here we go with this one. So this is for the this is another method for that one. Let's have a look. So here we have the code. Let me comment the previous code. Okay, so let's crop an image. Okay, so path. First of all, we have to give the path of that image I want to crop. Define a crop box, left, upper, right. So I have defined this crop box. Then crop image dot crop. With the method of crop, you can crop the image. Where you want to save the image, we have to set the path, and here we go with this path, right? And then display the image. Let's have a look. Cannot write the RGB. I think I have done with the JPG. The image is PNG. So let me just add this. Okay, and here we go with this one. So this area has been cropped, right? Here you can see. So you can adjust the dimensions like left, upper, right and the lower, and according to it it will be cropped. Okay, so the next one here I see, that is, this is the rotations one. So this is the different one with the there's a resized image with crop. Define the crop box, then resize. Okay, so this is basically resize and the crop join code is there. Okay, so first here you can see that we have a resize the image, then crop the box, then cropped the resize image, then save the respective paths, right? So this is how you can do the cropping. And resizing video I already uploaded, and loading an image, saving an image, display the image already uploaded with the help of the pillow library. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.